take it home. You all must be thinking, yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications, give it a huge thumbs up. Today, my name's Elise. If you are new to my channel, watch this video because you're going to know my name once you're in my club. So, I'm going to be doing a hairdresser for my unicorn because just look at her hair. It's not good for the bowl. So, I'm going to be doing 2 plaits, but I hope you're wondering why they won't stay. But they will stay because they're going to be 3 plaits. I mean, not 3 plaits, but 3 plaits to plait them, but 2 ponytails. Well, I did. So let's get started. So first, you can see I'm trying to comb my unicorn's hair. You can see it's a bit bumpy, so that's why I'm combing it, so that all the excess can go off, like, yeah, because it needs to go off. So we have to start with straight long hair, and we need to like comb it until it's all soft, until it's all bending and straight. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm taking the comb to comb it nicely, because if you just do it roughly, all the hair will just go off, and then we won't have a girl unicorn. So that's why I'm doing it gently. Whoa, her hair is blending in now. Look, it's blending in. Brush, 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 brush. Okay guys, I hope you can't see because it's going to be a surprise. So let's start combing this area. I also need to comb her fur. Comb it, comb it, comb it. And her tail. Comb, comb, comb. It's so soft. I see the tail's getting long. It's so soft. Do you remember last time I did a plait, but it didn't stay properly? So that's why I need to do another one. So yeah. Start brushing the fur to straighten it. See, there's no excess hair. That means that this hair is good, straight, and also so soft. So yeah. I have to do these excess bits, because if I don't do the excess bits, then they're going to be sticking out like poof, and then they're going to be like this, and then I won't like it. So yeah, that's why I want to do it like this. And don't forget to do the back bit, because now look at the back bit. We need to do every bit. See? There's a bit of excess. That means that this one needs to come off. Don't worry, she's going to grow a new one. Let's start. So now I'm going to start putting her hair into 2 starts plaits. So first I have to use the excess and take 2 ponytails like this. And then I need to comb it and separate it. So I'm going to comb it and see the excess. This is going to be this part and that's going to be that part. So I'm going to start plaiting. Let's start. And if you do not know how to plait, that's okay. You should watch this video. Wow, look how her hair is sticking out. It made a rainbow color. So beautiful. Yellow is here and red is here, blue is a lot, and purple's here. It looks so cool. So the excess is going to be our rainbow bit. We're going to smudge it all together. Okay? So now that that's done, let me show you the plait. So this is the cute plait that I've done. Oh no, stick it out. Let me help you. Let's start. Let's start. I'm gonna do it again because it didn't really turn out how I liked it. So I'm gonna do it again. Her hair is smudging together how I liked it. smudge it, smudge it, smudge it, smudge it. Okay, now I'm gonna do only one plait. That's much easier. So separate it into 2 bits and plait it together. So like you're mixing all the colors in. See, I'm mixing the colors in. See, I'm up to yellow. And then it's gonna be red. Okay, so yeah, let's get on. I see this hair sticking out. That's gonna be the basic, and it's gonna be spreading to her ears. That is the plait hairstyle I was wondering I can do. So I'm done. Brush it a bit. And look how it turned out. I'm joking, that is not good. I need to start. I have to think of a good hairstyle for the party. I am very good. Maybe I'll do, I know, a bun. I'm gonna do a bun this time. And if it does not stay, then I'm gonna keep on doing it, okay? Her hair is smudging like a rainbow. I'll do it this way. Look at her hair smudging like a rainbow. Right, I'm hot. So, yeah, smudging like a rainbow. And the reason why I put a cover because the hair is going to cut off. See, the hair is going to cut off like this yellow one, and then it's going to enter to my lap. So that's why. But since I'm hot, then it's okay. Her hair is so long. Look how long her hair is. Done. Now you don't need to comb it. So start with the bottom to the top. Like this. So start from the top. From the bottom to the top. Look how it's going. The bottom is going up and the bits of the down ones. It makes. Look how beautiful it is. Yep. So you need to start like this, and then for hairstyles gonna be done, but you need to use this bit. So this bit is gonna be the hair that's gonna be sticking out like this. So I'm gonna leave it to twist it. You have to twist the top bit to make sure that. Hi guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you watch this video. So, bye! Have a nice half term. Bye! I'm done. There we go. And I just need to make it straight, that's all. So straighten the hair. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one